Crash Course on Japanese Technology. An examination of Japan's history of technological innovation, including its impact on industries such as automotive, electronics, and robotics. Japan is renowned for its technological innovations, with a long history of producing cutting-edge products and solutions that have transformed industries around the world. Here is a crash course on Japanese technology, including some interesting stories and examples. Automotive industry. Japan's automotive industry is one of the most successful in the world, with brands like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan dominating the market. The industry began to thrive after World War II, when the country's economy began to recover, and the demand for personal vehicles increased. Toyota introduced the Toyota Production System, which is a lean manufacturing system that focuses on minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. This system has been emulated by companies around the world, and has helped to increase productivity and reduce costs. Electronics industry. Japan has also played a major role in the development of electronics, producing devices and components that are used in everything from smartphones to cars. Companies like Sony, Panasonic, and Toshiba have created some of the most iconic and innovative products of the past century, including the Walkman, the VCR, and the flat-screen TV. In the 1980s, Japan was the world's largest producer of semiconductors, and its technology was essential to the development of computers and other digital devices. Robotics industry. Japan is a world leader in robotics, with companies like Honda, Sony, and Fujitsu producing advanced robots for industrial, medical, and consumer applications. Honda's ASIMO robot, for example, is one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever developed, and has been used to demonstrate the potential of robotics in a variety of fields. In addition, Japan's aging population has led to a focus on creating robots that can assist with elder care, such as the Paro robot, a therapeutic robot that looks like a baby seal and responds to touch. Bullet train. The Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train, is a high-speed railway system that has become a symbol of Japan's technological prowess. The first Shinkansen line was introduced in 1964, and since then, the trains have traveled over 10 billion kilometers without a single fatal accident. The trains reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour and are a popular mode of transportation for both commuters and tourists. Gaming industry. Japan is also a major player in the video game industry, with companies like Nintendo, Sony, and Sega producing some of the most popular and iconic games of all time. Games like Super Mario Bros., Final Fantasy, and Sonic the Hedgehog have captivated gamers around the world and helped to establish Japan as a leader in the gaming industry. Here are top 12 Japanese technology inventions impacting on the world. 1. Walkman. Introduced by Sony in 1979, the Walkman revolutionized the way people listen to music, making it portable and accessible. 2. Karaoke. Developed in Japan in the 1970s, karaoke has become a global phenomenon and a popular form of entertainment. 3. VHS. Introduced by JVC in 1976, VHS was a popular video recording format that dominated the market for over 2 decades. 4. Compact disc. Developed jointly by Sony and Philips in the 1980s, the compact disc revolutionized the way music was stored and played, offering superior sound quality and durability compared to previous formats. 5. Digital cameras. The first commercially available digital camera was developed by Fujifilm in 1988, and since then, digital cameras have become a ubiquitous part of modern life. 6. Video game consoles. Japanese companies like Nintendo, Sony, and Sega have dominated the video game console market, producing iconic consoles like the Nintendo Entertainment System, the PlayStation, and the Sega Genesis. 7. High-speed rail. Japan's Shinkansen, or bullet train, was introduced in 1964, and has since become a model for high-speed rail systems around the world. 8. Hybrid cars. Toyota's introduction of the Prius in 1997 was a major milestone in the development of hybrid cars, which have since become an increasingly popular alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. 9. LCD screens. Japan's Sharp Corporation developed the first LCD screen in 1973. which has since become a ubiquitous part of modern technology. 10 Blu-ray disc. Developed by Sony and Philips in the early 2000s, the Blu-ray disc offered an even higher quality video format than the DVD, and has become the standard for high-definition video. 11 Robotic prosthetics. Japan's robotics industry has developed advanced prosthetic devices, like the HAL exoskeleton, that allow individuals with mobility impairments to regain their independence. 12 Instant noodles. Developed by Momofuku Ando in 1958, instant noodles have become a staple food in many parts of the world, offering a quick and convenient meal option. These inventions are just a few examples of the many ways that Japan has made significant contributions to the world of technology, impacting industries and changing the way people live their lives. In summary, Japan's technological innovations have had a major impact on industries around the world, and continue to shape the future of technology. From lean manufacturing and high-speed trains to robots and video games, Japan's contributions to technology are both impressive and far-reaching. Here is a song on Japanese technology and innovations. Verse 1. From Tokyo to Kyoto, innovations in the air. Japan's the land of tech, and we've got so much to share. Our cameras and consoles, our high-speed trains and cars. We've got robotic prosthetics, we're reaching for the stars. Chorus. Japanese tech, we're always on the rise. Our gadgets and inventions, they're a wonder to the eyes. From VHS to Blu-ray, our screens and hybrids too. We're the land of the future, and we'll always push on through. Verse 2. We've got the Walkman and karaoke, they're classics from the past. But we're always looking forward, and our progress will outlast. Our digital cameras capture moments in time. And our video games are legendary, they'll blow your mind. Chorus. Japanese tech, we're always on the rise. Our gadgets and inventions, they're a wonder to the eyes. From VHS to Blu-ray, our screens and hybrids too. We're the land of the future, and we'll always push on through. Verse 3. Our Shinkansen trains, they're the fastest in the land. And our instant noodles, they're always in demand. We've got LCD screens, they're bright and crystal clear. And our robotic prosthetics, they'll help those in need, never fear. Chorus. Japanese tech, we're always on the rise. Our gadgets and inventions, they're a wonder to the eyes. From VHS to Blu-ray, our screens and hybrids too. We're the land of the future, and we'll always push on through. Outro. Japan's the land of tech, and we'll never slow down. Our innovations and creations, they'll continue to astound. So come and join us on this journey, to the future we'll ascend. We're the land of the rising sun, and our tech will never end. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.